Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm super excited today to bring you guys the brand new iPad Air that Apple just released, and it's in the blue color. This is the 5th generation or 5th iteration with the M1 chip and quite a few little under the hood improvements, let's say. There's no aesthetic change. It's basically the exact same thing. Before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know I fund everything on this channel myself and I make everything. I'm a one-man show. So if you appreciate that, please do subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. All right. Let's look at the box. Okay, so still doing the plastic, which is disappointing to see. Apple's not changed that. So basically very Apple. Okay, still doing plastic. Took it off the iPhones. The iPhones no longer have plastic around them, but these guys do. So, and the plastic on this is a lot more than an iPhone. I reckon 3 times as much as an iPhone, depending which iPhone you're comparing it to. But anyways, right, let's look at this now. So that's just seamless. Always Apple, just unboxing is so seamless. It just comes out, you know. So that's the iPad. So they do paper now, I guess, instead of plastic, which is a little bit better. So you get some stickers and stuff, I guess, if you're new, and some guide and warranty stuff. And you also get USB-C to USB-C charging. All right, and on top of that you get a, I think, 20-watt charger. Yep, 20-watt charger with the iPad Air USB-C. All right, that's basically it in regards to what you get inside the iPad. Let's do an unboxing and impressions of the iPad itself. Okay, so that's the iPad here. Let's see if we can do the honest, straightforward way of opening this up without tearing it. With paper, it's going to be a bit hard. Oh, actually, that wasn't too hard. It looks recycled, which is good. All right, that's the beautiful blue. It looks a bit like the iPhone 13 blue. Okay, so the connectors are here. Camera, and you've got the power button. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about it and what you guys would like me to pair this up against. It's an M1 processor in there. I'd like to really pair this up against the iPad Pro and also the iPad Air of the last generation. Let me know what you guys think about it. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. Take good care. Bye-bye.